Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at gaming coins. I felt that gaming coins is kind of hot at the moment, so let's get straight into it. I was thinking of doing the most volatile positively towards the upside, and we'll do it from the most positively volatile for the past 7 days, from Bluezelle down to about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to merit circle. What do you think? How about that? Shall we? Shall we? Let's go. Let's freaking go. Bluezelle. Yes, sir. So here is Bluezelle. Anything for Bluezelle for us? Nope. We're above the skinny pink line though, which is good. So I feel like Bluezelle would need to consolidate a little bit before heading any higher, right? We're already super overbought. So you don't go long when things are overbought. You'll have to wait for at least a consolidation first before doing anything. Sure, we could go up from here, but I don't think it's a good idea to be, making moves at the moment, right? If we came down here and we got another lower high, right? And we get another lower high on the RSI, then this could be a double bearish divergence, and we could be heading much lower for Bluezelle. But if Bluezelle does consolidate and does stay above the skinny pink line, then yeah, very likely there could be a move higher for Bluezelle. I think Bluezelle could be heading to take out all of these clusters of stop buys over here. Right, all the way to about 27 cents. Pooh! We could be heading to 27 cents. But again, we still don't see any clear signs of a continuation chart pattern yet. And if I were to count the waves, I think that this is already a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, there could be another move higher, right? But I don't think it is a wise move to to go long when things are already overbought, right? Last time we were overbought, yeah, it was around this area. So I don't think it's a good idea, These are all, lessons that we can learn from. Lessons of history, right? Where were we here? We were here. Right. When things are overbought, do you go long? No, you don't go long. You have to wait, right? I mean, of course, I'm not saying we can't go any higher, right? But you want to have an edge, right? And you don't want to be, don't aim in. Be wiser. So again, there's nothing much for us for Bluezelle, right, to do. Nothing much for us to do. NFT worlds, let's go. We'll look at it on DEX tools. Okay, we're already above the skinny pink line, right? Just like Bluezelle, we're above the skinny pink line on the daily, which is good. And we consolidated, again, something like a falling channel. We broke out from it. Again, I'm not so sure what's going to happen over here. Could we form, mountains and head lower? Of course. Could we consolidate and head higher? Sure. But we're above the skinny pink line though. So the hope is that we see some sort of a consolidation and proceed higher, right, for WRLD. NFT worlds and the skinny pink line starts, moving towards the upside, right? Continues its upside move. But as it stands, I don't see any clear signs of a tradable chart pattern, so we gotta be careful because we could still turn bearish. Moving on will be step app FITFI. Let's look at FITFI, FITFI. Here we are for step app. Is it here? But liquidity is the most here, so I'm just gonna use this. Step app 65. I don't like it when it's 65. Mintable. Hidden owner. Balance modifiable. Anyway. Okay, you see, there's a squeeze here, right? Can you see this squeeze? Right. Again, in terms of a trading perspective, it's a no-go for us. Not, it's not recommended. Let me just look at the one with a picture. FITFI. Let's look at this. But it's only 2,000 though, the liquidity. Damn. I don't think it's a smart. Yeah, no, nothing. Still nothing as well. So we're gonna move on. Metacade, MCADE. Let's look at MCADE. This is the thing when you're trading very low market cap coins, right? MCADE, Metacade. Here we are for Metacade. Anything for Metacade? No. Yeah, we're also in a bearish trend, right? We could be very close to the bottom of the bearish trend though, but I don't see any clear reversals yet. No, it's not as obvious. Maybe a double bottom or something, right? But yeah, again, it's a no-go for us. We could still head lower for MCADE. So we got to be very, very careful. The last time we went closer to being really, truly oversold was here. We got ourselves a hammer. Yes, we rallied higher, but we continue lower as well. So again, you want to be very, very selective with the coins that you go into, right? Jewel! Run the jewels! A, B, E, and you know the song? Run the Jewel. That's a rap group. Two guys. Where is this? Hear what I say. We run the business today. For Jewel against USD, yeah, okay, this is very scary. Right. Look at this zip down, zip back up. We're consolidating. This is good. However, I suspect if there were to be anything as well, there's going to be a very long consolidation period, right? I'm guessing, again, it's just pure guessing. One of two things is going to happen. We're going to break above the significant incline. We go higher, right? This becomes a 5-wave move, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I don't think we're going to take out this size. We could, but I don't think so. It would be great if we come back down, right? Form a C, D, E. That's it. We go higher. Or we could be heading lower, right? We form something like a, yeah, this would be awesome, right? Something like an ascending triangle, right? We'll consider this as valley number 1. We come back down, form valley number 2. Rise back up, rise back down, valley number 3. And then 2025, that's it. Sayonara! We go much higher if we did a accumulation consolidation over here for Jewel. But we don't really see it yet. So again, yeah, we're already oversold. Sure, we could be heading higher, but you can pull a support line across, right? You could consider this as a descending triangle. 3 mountains, descending triangle. We broke the support. We're on the way down. Again, any clear signs of a reversal? Nope. Again, is it tradable for us? Nope. So be careful about rushing into a trade for Run the Jewel. Prime. I've been looking at Prime actually. It's in my watch list. So for Prime, what I like about Prime is that they really truly are building stuff, right? You can check out their Twitter and you could see that Prime, yeah, they're serious with, there's another one. What's the build on base? Nope. Parallel, yes, Parallel is a cut playing game, and it's built on Prime. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's very, very interesting. So I took a look at Parallel. So I'm like, oh, I think Parallel looks very interesting. It does have potential though. So yeah, again, I need technicals to look really nice first, right? We actually saw this, right? We were talking about this. This is something like an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, something like a right shoulder. Or you can also pull this across, call this a right shoulder as well. We zipped up, $4, right? Very bottom was about $1. So best thing that could happen for Prime is we come back down. We form a squeeze here. This will be the most beautiful thing that could happen for Prime, right? And then if and when it does drop lower, I'm very interested to put on trade, right? There's probably going to be some support at these levels, 220. But I suspect that if we were to drop lower, I think Prime will probably drop to like sub $2. Yeah, so this is where potentially there could be a trade, right? But it's gonna take several months though. Right, it's gonna take several months down to 2024, right? So if the next 6-7 months Prime does drop, then hey, there could be an opportunity, right? There could be an opportunity, but we're not too sure about things, and we need, you know, things to play out first before we make any decision for Prime. We kind of like the fundamentals, but technicals will need to look good as well. Next will be GameFi, GAFI. Let's look at GAFI. Anything for GAFI? GAFI, GameFi, 99. Liquidity is 274,000. Okay, I think this is okay. Here we are. Anything for us? No. In a downtrend? Yes. Trap breaking the skinny pink line? Failed. Yeah, no, we failed. Pull lower, right? Yes, we keep getting lower lows. You can argue that it's a double bullish divergence if you want to, but again, we still don't see any signs of life yet, right? Yeah, again, if you look at the volume, right, this was when the whales were selling, right? This was where the whales were selling. huge volume close to the top. Right, volume tells a lot. Right, volume is one of the most valuable indicator that anyone can have when it comes to trading. It tells you a lot. So yeah, that's it. Once the whales start entering again, you will see a spike in volume, and then the price could just be moving sideways. But it's a spike, big spike in volume, but we just keep moving sideways. Nothing much yet, and then suddenly, boom, we break out. Right. This is how you spot accumulation by the whales, but again, we don't see anything for GameFi yet. So we're gonna have to move on. IX. Let's look at IX. Here we are. IX. Infinity X. Is this the one? What? IXT. Okay. Look at this. The score is 11. Scammy. It's scammy. Planet IX 99. Yeah, this is what we're looking for. It's on Polygon. I think it's on Radium, if I'm not wrong. You can buy it on Radium. Planet X is down. We are seeing some signs of life. Again, I still don't see any clear tradable chart pattern. Yes, you're already oversold, but just because you're oversold doesn't mean we can't go any lower, right? We first saw oversold over here, right? But look at how much further we dropped, right? 30%. You gotta be careful. Again, no signs of life yet, right? Again, so no, we're gonna be moving on from IXT. GamerCoin, GHX. Let's go. GHX. Anything for GHX? Is this the one? Yeah, 80. One alert. Why is this one alert? Mintable. Okay, this is the scary part. But any signs of life? Yeah, feels like we rose like 50-60%, but how would you know, right? Yeah, you won't. Any tradable chart? No. Are we kind of overbought? Yeah. Double bearish? Yeah. Higher high on the price, lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. Right. We hit the skinny pink line over here, and we formed something like a. Look at this. This is what you call a shooting star. Another day of shooting star. 2 days of shooting star. 2 shooting star candlesticks. So there is selling pressure, right? Although there's also buying pressure, but yeah, you don't know. You just don't know how much lower things can go. So this is not a coin where you can short. So it's a different thing, right? But anyway, we're already so down. So I don't think it's a wise idea to be shorting coins at the bottom. You'll have to wait for some accumulation first, right? Something that looks much more nicer technically before we make a move, right, for GamerCoin. So yeah, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Merry circle. Let's go. MC. Yeah, 99. Yeah, 1 year ago. Great. Market cap 138 million. It's not yet a top 100 coin. Top 100 is about 300 million. Okay, there could be something for Merry circle, right? If you look over here, left shoulder, head. This could be a right shoulder. Again, another thing is look at the volume. Whales are accumulating. Yeah. Look at this. I mean, of course, this was where the whales were selling, right? See how scary things are. Anyway, point being, let's. Okay, wait. Let me just remove everything. All right. So for Merry Circle, I'm not too sure about things. For Merry Circle, yeah, we could be getting a right shoulder, to be honest. Okay, let me see if I can find it here. MCUSDT. Ooh, Binance. Yeah, so on Binance, Merry Circle could be getting a inverse head and shoulders, right? Could be. Today, yeah, so we're expecting a right shoulder. But at the same time, we could also be coming down, right? This whole thing could be a ABCD, or we could be getting like an ascending triangle kind of a chart pattern. So again, we're not entirely sure, and it's not wiser to be going into a trade when things are already overbought, right? The MACD, yeah, no, I don't think it's a wise idea. I'm not saying we can't go any higher. I'm just saying it'd be wiser to wait first, right? If you just keep going up, great. But eventually, we will still see a correction, right? So as you have seen on the RSI, right, this is what you call a what do you call it? A lagging indicator, right? But it's always up and down, right? So what do you think is going to happen next? Right? You could still go higher, but still we will be coming back down, right? So yeah, again, I just don't think there's anything yet for Marriage Circle, not at this point of time. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Marriage Circle. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top gaming coins by market cap. Doesn't seem like there's any nice entries. You know, we're hoping for Prime to come back lower. Bluezelle, yeah, it's quite overbought. You know, a lot of overbought because we're looking at the most volatile towards the upside. So we tend to, you know, come across overbought coins. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for any of these coins, right? See you in the next one. Hope you guys have a great day. Ta-da!